How to use the OFSi trading tools. OFSi is a state-of-the-art sentiment indicator that is designed to assist retail traders. The unique feature about this tool is the way it allows traders to use various filters to segment the market sentiment according to a variety of parameters, providing them with deeper market visibility as opposed to other traditional sentiment tools. The OFSi sentiment indicator includes data from more than 28,000 live trading accounts and uses three main options to showcase the buy and sell order flow for every financial instrument: trade size and trade volume. Number of trades: the ratio of the number of open buy positions to the total number of open positions in a financial asset. Lot size: the ratio of the open buy volume to the total volume of open trades in the asset. Number of traders: this simply counts the number of traders who are buyers or sellers. Psyquation offers two choices of how to use the OFSi trading tool: the OFSi table and the OFSi chart. Use the web version or download and connect it to your MT4 terminal. While the web version is provided for free, the downloadable version requires a premium Psyquation account.